I have yet to try out anything from Bliss, and this was an actually... Why can I not talk today? Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be another Target Beauty Box unboxing. I know I mentioned in my last unboxing for April that this might not be every month. It's just going to depend on if the Target Beauty Box for each month is something I'm actually interested in. And so today we're going to be unboxing the May box, and then I'm also going to be doing a review on last month's box, what I thought of the products, and yeah, so let's just get into this, guys. So I love the purple on the outside, really cute, really fun. So whenever you open up, there's always this little card on the front side. It says it's Festival Beauty Headliners, Coachella, Okay, so basically this box is like festival inspired. And then on the back, it always gives you a coupon code for $3 off $15 of a beauty purchase. And then it lists all the products that you get in the box. So, first off in the box is this Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. It's a gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruity enzymes. So here's what it looks like. I have yet to try out anything from Bliss, and this was an actually... Why can I not talk today? This product was one of the reasons why I actually wanted to get this box. So this little card does not actually list the full price of the full size of these little things. So yeah. Alrighty. Moving on to the next thing in the box, we have this Hawaiian Tropic antioxidant plus refresh sunscreen mist. Helps prevent damage and skin aging from the skin. It has an SPF of 30 on it. I love how they put the little tape around the bottle so the lid wouldn't come off. That's cute. So here's what it looks like. This is such a cute little bottle to throw in your purse, even for in case you happen to be out and about and you're like, oh my gosh, I've been in the sun a long time. You can just spray it on yourself really fast. Really excited to have this little mini size of this. I think that's going to be really convenient. Next up, I got this mini Dove dry spray. It's a 48-hour antiperspirant, so this is really cute and convenient to have for traveling. I've actually tried these out and they're not too bad, but I have kind of converted over to all natural deodorant, so I might keep this for just my purse for those just in case things, or I might just throw this in my giveaway. Next up, we have this SGX Salon Graphic, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Here's what it looks like. It's to absorb oil and a soft hold. So it's kind of like a dry shampoo, and it kind of gives you a little bit of volume. So that's kind of interesting. I'm excited to try this out. The next thing in the box are these cute little hair accessories. So this was another thing that made me want this box. So basically what you're supposed to do is pull a little section of your hair and then put these through it, if you're braiding it, or if you just want to pull it up and put it in a couple little pieces and then put your hair up in a high pony and then have those just in your hair dotted around. I think these are so cute. I'm so excited to have these and to try them out. And then the last thing in the box is from Mask Bar. It's a holographic foil peel off mask. It revitalizes, moisturizes, and illuminates. It has collagen, eucalyptus extract, and grapefruit extract. So here's what it looks like. Basically it says apply a thin, even layer of the mask to clean, dry skin. Leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes until mask becomes completely dry. Then gently peel off the mask. So I really have been enjoying like peel off masks and clay masks way better than sheet masks lately. So I was also very excited to see that this was a peel off mask instead of a sheet mask. So in this month's box for May, the Target Beauty box, you got 6 items. So I will give you guys a quick overview of what it looks like. Hopefully nothing falls out. So that is what it looks like on the inside of the box. So I do want to kind of do a quick overview of what I thought of last month's April Beauty box. So in the April Beauty box, we got a little mini bar of hand soap. I completely used it all up. It was a charcoal hand soap. I really did enjoy that, and I would even probably purchase that in the future. Next we got this Love Beauty and Planet. It's a 2-minute magic hair mask. This stuff is amazing. I really had never tried anything from this brand, and it smelled so good. Like, I thought with it being like roses on the packaging, it was going to be like really rosy scented, but it's marumu butter and rose, and there's very little rose scent. Like, it's mostly all the marumu butter, and it smells amazing. I think I got about 5 uses out of this foil packet, which was amazing. Like, that's a lot of uses. Just gonna go ahead and throw that away. Next up we got the Good Stuff Complete Repair Balm. It's a no rinse conditioner. So I've been using this every time since I got last month's April Beauty box. Every time I wash my hair, which I only wash my hair about once a week. So I've probably used it at least 4 times to 5 since I got my Target Beauty box. And as you guys can see, like, I've only used that much. Legit, I only use like a quarter size amount in my hand, rub it together, and then just kind of like rub it into the ends of my hair after I have towel dried it. This stuff is actually really nice. I would actually repurchase it. I really enjoy it. It doesn't like add any extra oil to my hair because I have super oily skin, so my hair gets oily very fast. I did enjoy that about the product. So yeah, have been enjoying this. Then we also got this Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower hand lotion. I have been carrying this in my purse. Been loving this, especially going into summer, because sometimes I get out and about and I'm like, oh, my legs look all dry and I'm wearing shorts. So I'm always needing some hand lotion in my bag. And the last thing we got in last month's box was this Shea Moisture Clarifying Facial Wash and Scrub. This stuff is really nice, but one drawback. Do you all know the smell of Play-Doh? This smells exactly like it. Like, when I first used this, I was like, what is that smell? And then I was like, oh, it's this scrub. Like, I don't know if I'd end up repurchasing this because the scent is quite strong. Like, it legit smells like you're rubbing, like, kids' Play-Doh all over your face. Which is not too bad because it's just a scrub, so you're only, you know, scrubbing your skin just for, like, a minute. And then you're rinsing off. And the scent doesn't, like, linger on your skin or nothing, but it's just... it's pretty strong. But guys, so overall, last month's box was a good box, except for this kind of having a weird scent. And everything else I really did enjoy. So this month I'll be trying out all the products I was sent, and we'll give you my thoughts on this month's box next month, if any of that makes sense. So guys, please leave me a comment down below what you're excited to hear my thoughts about for this coming month. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.